breakfast. Some watermelon. And Billy cleaning the windows. The house is looking so festive. Guys, the sun is so strong. So I decided to put this on my face because I don't want my face to burn. Anyways, we still have a bit more laundry to take off. But these are the views. Guys, it's scorching hot outside. Like so fucking... Where's the sun? Holy shit, bro. You're going crazy. Guys, the sun is crazy right now. But look at the skin, it's glowing. 3 packs of ice for my landlord Billy, who loves beer and he wanted it for his wine and beer to keep it cold. So yeah, don't worry guys, I'm not an alcoholic and neither do I drink. So yeah. So I've been trying to go to a halal meat shop and I googled this one that was in Mirabuka. So of course I got a lot of meat and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So first I got, first thing I'll show you guys is lamb French cutlets. These were $30. I don't know the prices for lamb if they're, if that's how it's supposed to be or not, but I just got it. And then I got rump steak, which was $23 for 0.8 kilograms, 0.812. I got some chicken thighs as well, diced and cut up for $17. And I got a whole chicken cut up for chicken curry because I want to make this tomorrow. And that was $14. And lamb loin chops for $24, 1 kg of these. And then I also got 1.5 kgs of lamb Moroccan sausages, which was $22. And then finally chicken jalapeno sausages, which was $7.27 for 0.5 kgs. So I spent a total of $140, but it's gonna be so worth it because I love meat and I'm so excited. And it's halal.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Ooh, the table looks so fancy. Christmas in Australia. Billy's wrapping up some presents for his grandkids, is it? Yeah. Or his family?
Yeah, this is for the
so cute. Maria's Versace dishes.
And I found this one at the butcher.
Billy fed that turkey some steroids.
Yeah.
It's so big. Like, look at the size of my hand.
It's an Aussie turkey, Mark.
It's huge. The lasagna looks amazing.
Next to each other. I'm going to find them.
I feel like Maria's the type of person when someone compliments your dress, she'll be like, yeah, I got this for $5.
Yeah, no, I used to, but now I'm following those people with etiquette that say, never say that because you put yourself down.
Never say the price. Even if it's $1,000 million, never say the price. Never say
I
the
used
money.
not to, but now the way
Then how do you respond when someone asks how much something is?
the people now,
Just say, I'd rather not say. That's all. You can't say how much things cost.
Those days, the people are not like this anymore. The old days, yes.
No, that's true today.
So Billy, how did you feel when Maria told you her whole life story when she met you?
Yeah. Overwhelming.
He was not so quiet with his story. I don't tell her, but then I found out after. So it's better you tell, isn't it?
Yeah. Sorry, what did you say?
His story of his life. He's so quiet, but then I found out. So it's better tell. But if you go out with someone and the person doesn't talk, it's so boring, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to talk.
I think it's boring, but then I think that sometimes as females we can talk too much.
Yeah, we do.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun is to ride on a horse open sleigh.
Oh, so this is like hot.
So this is Santa Claus, right?
Yeah.
And in Finland, that's where he lives. That's where his home is, right?
Oh yeah.
So we went there, and you think it's only for kids. And it's
Yeah.
not really for us. We had the best time.
Yeah.
Now it's good to have more little things. They like the next time of one. Oh, next.
So ham, lasagna, turkey, and then we have a little baby. And rice, orange juice, dessert, lamb sausages, fruit, and more dessert. Food because I can't get enough.
Please send it there. I'm going to take it.
Yeah.
It's adorable.
I'm going to get to Daniela. I saw on Instagram robot. Aquele que é.
This for you. No, not that. Not that. This one for you. Yeah, that's what it says Tanya. So really,
It's a countdown. Gonna open.
and this one first.
Thank you. You are close. Remy, look. That's for you.
Aww,
Wow.
so cute.
A Christmas cracker.
These are so cute, polka dot.
Look at these t-shirts.
Guys, I got two presents. This is so cute.
Have you like a swim?
Oh, for my kids.
Product.
Oh.
So he got it for himself?
So not.
So I don't.
You need a bigger counter in your bathroom to
So I'm not so. So I'm not so ugly anymore.
Oh my god, stop. You're not ugly at all.
Ah, é o nosso pizza aqui.
Yes.
Darn, it's already open.
Oh well.
Remy opened it.
Ah, yeah, beautiful.
You know this is for.
That's for my when I'm doing the gardening.
Oh.
I do all the gardening on my knees.
Yeah.
And he gets a tower. So
Yeah.
now I
And I
just
put
get
a
Yeah.
towel
It's a
in.
lot better, yeah.
That's very thoughtful, Maria.
Oh, John,
cake.
that's so nice.
Panettone.
Yes, thank you.
It's a Christmas panettone.
Yes, the tower.
Oh.
Let the towel out in your box. This one's for you.
Oh my god, for me.
Yeah, I open later. This is for the table. I'm going to set up the table.
Guys, the leftovers, we already put some of it in the fridge. I think I want to make a YouTube vlog with this.
I want to be a blogger.
You should vlog.
Everybody tell me. And I bought the whole thing. It was a bit black.
Okay, Maria, we need to know where you got your cutlery and your dishes from. So where'd you get your dishes?
From Salvo.
Okay, wow.
This one.
You got that one from
This one
Salvo.
from Salvo. Like $8. This is silver.
Yeah.
This one was about maybe $5.
Nice.
What a mess.
And how much did you get this one for?
And this one also was the whole set.
Wow.
This one as well. Yeah. And there's still one more here.
Well, this was $5?
This one was, I think was 8.
8.
And
Okay,
this
guys,
one
it's really
also
good.
from Salvo. The whole thing. Look. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. So she either gets stuff from Versace or she gets stuff
yeah.
from Salvo. There's no in between.
But this is Versace, real Versace. So this is not cheap. This is real
Wow.
Versace.
Damn.
See?
Yeah. Guys, so today I made chicken curry that I'm taking to the Christmas dinner. Okay guys, so this is my Christmas in Australia. We're gonna have a little dinner there. Other people are gonna join us as well. This is our view.
Thank you.
What's your name again, sorry?
Merci.
Sebastian.
Okay, actually, sorry, that's okay.
Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Drink yesterday.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Just want to take a quick video. Cheers. Woo!
I'm doing a good cast.
So this food is cooked by me, Pakistani, Canadian, and then Mexican people and Colombian people brought that. And then guess what white people brought?
Hey. I also had watermelon.
Okay guys, what would you rate my banana bread on a scale of 1 to 10?
12.
Very nice, very yummy.
12.
9.9.
Yay! 12 and 9.9, I'll take that.
9.7.
9.7, excuse me. What? Are you crazy? And sorry, what was your rating? I misheard it.
9.9.
Why not a
I
10?
remember when my mom sold banana bread when I was child.
Oh, okay. Merry Christmas.
It's cool.
Like it's raining, yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna swing like keep your phone. I don't know gonna swing.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you my phone then. Thank you.